Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the Doordash notification sound. Let's get started. So there's a big question. Can you change it directly in Doordash? Unfortunately, Doordash does not allow you to change the notification sound directly from the app. There is no built-in option inside the Doordash to customize notification sound. But there are the workarounds. Change the general notification sound is the solution. Since the DoorDash doesn't have an individual setting, you can change your phone's general notification sound. Here's how. Open the settings on your phone. Then tap the sound and vibration or sound and notification. Then select the notification sound. And here you can choose your desired notification tone. And this will change the notification sound for all apps including DoorDash. And take note that any changes you will make will apply to all notifications on your phone, not just DoorDash. That's the current solution available. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.